Alright, hi everyone, welcome to the video. And in this video I want to show you a tool that I developed in Python. So here is a tool, what it does basically. So let me explain you. So whatever devices that are connected on the network, it will tell you what IP address is that, what MAC address is that, which company the device belongs to, Apple, D-Link, router, laptops. It will tell that. It will also tell up which ports are open. It will also tell you which is the host, up or down. That means is it running or not, running or not. And so let me show you the demo, and by the way the code is also there in the description section below. So here you see this will take a time, please note, because first of all it search for all IP addresses, and also by the way I wanted to tell you that all the data is stored in an Excel file. So a report is generated automatically after the scan. So it goes through the network, it scans every IP. So all the 255 IP address, and for each IP it scans about 65,000 ports, so 65536. And here you can see this is my D-Link router. So I'm just gonna stop because I don't want to show any more of my device information. So here you can see I just stopped it right now. So here you can see an Excel file, so report.xls. Here you can see it generated automatically. And if I zoom in here a little bit, so if I can show you IP address, MAC address, vendor, status, and the ports that are open. So port 21 and port 80 is right now open. So here you can see, and it's also displayed in a nice manner. So here you can see this is the entire code that has been developed by me, of course. So I used object-oriented programming. Here you can see you can also run this command through terminal because I have also used Shebang. So if you want to run in terminal, it's pretty easy. An entire report on your computer or in an Excel file with all the IP address, MAC address, which ports are open for your analysis. That's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. So this is a tool that is made in Python. So it does all the basically all it's similar to like Nmap, but it generates report and stuff like that. A little bit customized Nmap version. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next